Everyone, in this one we are going to learn how we can configure the OSPF. In this router, how we can configure the OSPF, we are going to learn that one. So let me show you that one. I will go here and you can see here whatever interface we are using. If you see, this is the R1. So what I will do, I will go here, I will write interface. First of all, we will write router OSPF 1. Okay. Then after that, what I will do, I will write interface E0 by 0 and I will write here IP OSPF 1 area 0. This way we enable the OSPF. I done in the R1. Same thing we need to do in R2. So I will give here what I will write here router OSPF 1, then interface E0 by 0. You will write IP OSPF 1 area 0. Okay, in R2 we done. Now I will do in the R3. So I will go here. I am here in the R3. So I will write interface E0 by 0. I will write here IP OSPF 1 area 0 and I need to enable OSPF also here router OSPF let me router OSPF 1. Okay. So now I will go to R5. I will do here router, let me go here router OSPF 1 interface E0 by 0. I will write here IP OSPF 1 area 0. So here we done. Now I will go to R5 and we can check here exit, or let me do here in the R5 enable host name. We can give here host name is R5. Here I will write router. Let's go for router OSPF 1 interface which one E0 by 0. See here whatever interface I am using, this one IP OSPF 1 area 0. Okay, we configure here. After that we can write show IP OSPF neighbor and you can see here how many neighbor we have. We have 1 2 3 4 total. We have 5 routers, so we are getting 4 neighbor here. Okay, so we will wait for some time, and if you check here show IP OSPF database, you can check the database table. Okay, let me move this up. You can see this is the show IP OSPF neighbor, and here if I go, this is a database table show IP OSPF database. So this is a database. Now let's check again show IP OSPF neighbor. So you can see this neighbor become the DR, this neighbor become the BDR, and these two neighbor become the DR other. Okay, so if you want to check, you can check this way. And if you want to remove the OSPF, imagine you configure OSPF and you want to remove. How you will remove? Just you go here. Okay, write no router OSPF 1. Okay, this way you can remove also. Go to all the router and do the same thing. Here I will go here. I will write example, if I want to remove the OSPF, I will write no router OSPF 1. I remove. Then I will go to R3. I will say here no router OSPF 1. Remove. Now go to this one and write here no router OSPF 1. So it will remove. Go here also, write here no router OSPF 1. So this way we can remove the OSPF also. After that, if you write show IP root or you write show IP OSPF neighbor, no neighbor you have. Okay, so this way we can remove also. If you want to remove, you can remove, and if you want to configure now, you can configure. Example, we can say I want to configure BGP. So here you can say this is a AS1, AS2, AS3, AS4, AS5. So how you will configure? You need to go here and you need to write router BGP 1. Okay, neighbor, you need to make the neighbor. So with whom you need to make the neighbor? You should have the neighbor IP. So R2. So check R2 what IP you have in the R2. You should know, then only you can make the neighbor. So you will write show IP interface brief. So you see you have this IP 192.168.1.12. So copy this, go here and write neighbor IP, then remote AS we will say 2. Okay, so I configure this to this neighborship. I configure here. I am saying this is router 1. I am taking as a AS1 here, AS2 here. Now I can go here and I can configure the neighborship here also. I will write router BGP2. Okay, then I will write neighbor IP. What is the neighbor IP of R1? You need to check here. How you can check? You can write do show IP interface brief and see here 11. This one is the IP of the neighbor. So you can go here and put here and then remote AS1. Okay, we configure. After that, if you want, if you see BGP neighbor go up, if you write show IP BGP, show IP BGP summary, you can check the neighbor. So here I am here in the R2, so this one is your neighbor. And if you want to advertise any prefix, you can advertise. Example, here I will say I have the loopback 0 and I will assign the IP here 2.2.2.2 and give space right to 55.0.0.0. I created one network here. I want to advertise this. So how you will advertise? You will go again inside the router BGP2, then you will write network and write here 2.2.2.2, then mask and write here 255.255. whatever you give the subnet mask, same you need to give here. Okay, so see here what I done here. Okay, here network ID I need to write, so I give here full subnet mask, so I need to write the network ID will be this one. Okay, so now I send this network. So now you can check your router will get here. If you go here in the ART1 and you can type here, you can write here show IP route. You see you are getting this from BGP, this route. Because we are using the different AS, that's why it is coming as a 20 here. Different AS means eBGP. So if you are configuring eBGP, then you will get 20 here. And if you want to ping, you can ping 2.2.2.2, reply will come here. Okay, and if you want to write show IP BGP, check here you are getting this neighbor 2.2.2, this one. You have greater than star and greater than, that means valid and best route, and this neighbor is advertising 2 prefix, you can see here. Okay, and he used the network command to advertise that one, that's why it is coming I here. So you can write show IP BGP summary, so you can see the summary. And if you want to check the show IP BGP neighbor, you can click here show IP BGP neighbor, and you can see this is the eBGP, so TTL value will be 1 here. See here you have 1 here. Okay, and if you want to remove the BGP, how you will remove? Just go here, write no router BGP1, that's all, and go to the R2 also, right here in the global configuration mode no router BGP2, so it will remove. Now you type show IP BGP, you don't have anything, BGP is not active. Okay, so here just we learn how we can configure OSPF, how we can remove OSPF, how we can configure BGP, eBGP, and how we can remove eBGP. Okay, thank you, bye.